This question has asked us to use the trapezium rule with 4 intervals to estimate the integral of e to the x squared between x is 0 and x is 1. Now, as we've been asked to use 4 intervals, we need to split 0 to 1 into 4 equal spaces. So that is 0 up to 0.25. This is the first interval. Then we go from 0.25 up to 0.5, 0.5 up to 0.75, and 0.75 up to 1. So you see we have 5 numbers and there are 4 gaps. So these are our 4 intervals. So these are the x values that we need to evaluate e to the x squared at. So set another line, e to the x squared, and evaluate at 0. So e to the 0 squared is just simply 1. E to the 0.25 squared is 1.0645. Then e to the 0.5 squared is 1.2840. E to the 0.75 squared is 1.7551. And e to the 1 squared is just 2.7183. So as we're using the trapezium rule, we find the area by a half times the interval. So the interval here is 0.25 multiplied by the first term, which is 1, the last term, which is 2.7183, plus twice everything else in between. So that is 1.0645 plus 1.2840 plus 1.7551. So all we need to do is work out the value of this to give us an approximation of the area here. So we have a half times 0.25, which is 0.125. Then adding all of this together, we get 11.9255. And then 0.125 times 11.9255 gives us 1.4907. So we can say that the integral of e to the x squared between 0 and 1 is approximately 1.4907.